Yeah, this is how to upload the products from Guarantee Items admin. First, you log in with your email. Then next, you enter your password. After entering your password, you click sign in. You're signing in. Network is taking a bit slow. It's taking a bit slow. Yeah, it's signed in already. So when you sign in, the next thing you do, you see a dashboard like this, and you take your time, you study it. This is the dashboard. Now you have categories. Under the categories, you have subcategories, you have chat categories. Then you have manage products too. Under the manage products, you have products, you have all products, and you have stock, add products, and campaign offer. What you want to do is to add products. So you add a product. You click on add product. The moment you click add product, it takes you to another center. Loading.